Hello and welcome to another quick video for Node.js tips and tricks. Today we will look into a functional programming concept called higher order functions. Before we move forward, please subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video, we will discuss what a higher order function is, why do we need one, and we will also look into some inbuilt examples, and finally, we will create a custom higher order function. In simple terms, a higher order function is just a function that takes another function as an argument. A higher order function acts as a wrapper to the inner function. This is widely used whenever there are common steps in multiple functions. We can create a higher order function and wrap them to avoid code redundancies. We can see many such examples in Node.js. Some of the best examples are the inbuilt array functions like map, filter, and for each. As we can see, the .map function accepts another that returns any value, while .filter takes a function with a truthy or a falsy return value. Now let's create our own higher order function. I have made an example higher order function that attempts any custom network call. This function will retry 3 times before throwing an error, in case of an error. We can also customize this function to retry only in particular error scenarios. Now you are ready to try on your own. You can try creating a higher order function for handling common errors on your application. Let me know in the comments how it goes. Please like this video and thanks for watching and see you soon.